You sit on a tail every single day. But why is there still DNA for a full tail hidden in your genome? Stick around. This is the wild story of your coccyx and the genetic glitch that changed primate history. Here's the mind-blowing part. Every human embryo grows a real tail around week 4 to 5 of pregnancy, complete with 10 to 12 tiny vertebrae. It reaches peak length by week 6 or 7, about 1/6 the size of the whole embryo. Then, something incredible happens. By week 8, that tail almost completely vanishes. The vertebrae fuse and regress, leaving behind just 3 to 5 tiny bones at the end of your spine, the coccyx or tailbone. This is a classic vestigial structure, a leftover from our evolutionary past. It still anchors some muscles and ligaments, but it's basically the ghost of a tail we no longer need. Yet every once in a while, fewer than 50 true cases documented in medical history, a baby is born with a small, soft tail. These rare atavistic tails can even wiggle slightly. They're not usually bony like an animal's, but they prove the genetic instructions for a tail are still lurking in our DNA, waiting for the right or wrong developmental switch. So why don't we have full tails anymore? In 2024, scientists cracked the code. About 25 million years ago, in the common ancestor of humans and all great apes, a piece of jumping DNA called an ALU element inserted itself into a crucial gene, TBXT, also known as brachyury. This gene controls tail development in embryos. The ALU insertion pairs with another ancient ALU nearby, creating a loop in the RNA that skips part of the gene. The result? A new protein version that tells the embryo, "Stop growing the tail." When researchers recreated this exact change in mice using CRISPR, the mice were born with short tails, or no tails at all. Same broken pathway we share with chimps, gorillas, and orangutans. Experts believe losing the tail helped our ancestors shift to bipedalism, freeing the spine for upright walking and balance. So next time you feel that tailbone after a long sit, remember, you're carrying 25 million years of primate history in your DNA. Our tails didn't disappear. They evolved into the perfect reminder that we're all still connected to our tree-swinging past. Like, if this blew your mind, subscribe for more evolutionary mysteries and drop a comment. What other useless body part should we cover next? See you in the next one.